So this is what I've been doing my whole life, just riding bikes down the hill, going sideways, smashing the trails and jumping everywhere, just about having fun. It's hard to explain. With intense bicycles right now, I feel like the bike is not the limit anymore. Let me show you. I just want to thank everyone involved with the GoPro-Intense team for this big opportunity and for keeping the dream alive.